April 13th, 2017. Still no justice for the black community in Northern California, so I don't paint over it. Positive vibration. The day you pay me compensation and admit that you were wrong without me having to go to you. It's the day I paint over this. Until then, it symbolizes the betrayal of the black community by mental health, the Santa Clara County Sheriff Department, and all their sniveling allies, gay, atheist, and other anti-Afro-Asiatic gospel type of people. With all due respect, we're not stupid. We see the outline. We are not fucking dumb. We see the head. We see the nose. That's why I scratched it right there. Okay, I train on this thing every day. Now I have a gargoyle next to it, and there are liquors, there are alcohol with gargoyle, logos. Gargoyles are a recurring theme, as you can imagine. Now take a very close look and tell me that's not the head right there, okay? You owe me compensation for your selective law enforcement and your complete injustice, not to mention all the members of your staff and their families that I have on record showing that they're violating one confidentiality agreement or another, one Hippocratic oath or another, in the case of mental health and their doctors. You're violating human rights, non-consensual experimentation agreements. We can go on about the Nuremberg Code and all this, but let's face it, I'm not here to prove this in court. I'm here to prove everyone that the black man is God, so to speak, if Jesus is God. If not, we are the image of God, and we are going to take our rightful place, not your money, in this life and the next. And it is because your failure to recognize that, and I'm a half black, half white Jew, covertly drugged as I speak, and I still speak the truth, unlike these liars who are sober and still and being conditioned and reared by slime and still cannot find the truth for the life of them with all their privilege, money, think tanks, and organizations. They must be bitches. There's no other way. So, what do you say, white America? Do you give the black man what he's owed? Be true to what you say on paper? Or do you just give old white ladies millions and millions of dollars for spilling coffee on themselves once, when I've been drugged by your slime and racially harassed for years? Come on. How can we be friends? How can you honestly say you're not the terrorists when you don't lift a fucking finger right here in the most populated state in the Union? Trump, I call upon you to do something or step down. And if you frame me or I die under mysterious circumstances, this will not look good for white people and their future around the world. Thank you.